Hi friends, welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Today, we learn step-by-step guide of mango farming techniques, ideas, and tips. We can also cover cultivation practices of farm fruit. Introduction. Mango farming is the leading fruit crop farming in India and considered to be the king of fruits. Besides the delicious taste, excellent flavor, and attractive fragrance, it is rich in vitamin A and C. The tree is hardy in nature and requires comparatively low maintenance costs. Mango fruit is utilized at all stages of its development, both in its immature and mature state. Raw fruits are used for making chutney, pickles, and juices. The ripe fruits, besides being used for dessert, are also utilized for preparing several products like squashes, syrups, nectar, jams, and jellies. The mango kernel also contains 8 to 10% good quality fat, which can be used for soap and also as a substitute for cola in confectionery. Planting materials for mango plantation. Mango can be propagated from seed or propagated vegetatively. Plants are generally propagated vegetatively by using several techniques like veneer grafting, inacking and epicotyle grafting, etc. The best planting season for mango trees. Planting is usually done in the month of July-August in rain-fed areas and during February-March in irrigated areas. In the case of heavy rainfall zones, planting is taken up at the end of the rainy season. The spacing of mango trees. The planting distance is 10 meters by 10 meters and 12 meters by 12 meters in dry and moist zones respectively. In the model scheme, a spacing of 8 meters by 8 meters with a population of 63 plants per acre has been considered, which was observed to be common in areas covered during a field study. Nutrients required for mango trees. Fertilizer may be applied in two split doses, one half immediately after the harvesting of fruits in June, July and the other half in October, in both young and old orchards, followed by irrigation if there are no rains. Foliar application of 3% urea in sandy soils is recommended before flowering. The following table gives the details of fertilizer applied, depending upon the age of the plants. In mango farming, in the first year, we have to apply 100 grams of nitrogen, 50 grams of phosphorus pentoxide and 100 grams of potassium oxide. 10th year we have to give 1 kilogram of nitrogen, 500 grams of phosphorus pentoxide and 1 kilogram of potassium oxide. In the 11th year, we have to apply 1 kilogram of nitrogen, 500 grams of phosphorus pentoxide and 1 kilogram of potassium oxide. The doses applied in the subsequent years should be increased every year up to 10 years in the multiple of the first year's dose. Well-decomposed farmyard manure may be applied every year. For trench application of fertilizer, 400 grams each of nitrogen and potassium oxide and 200 grams of potassium pentoxide per plant should be provided. Micronutrients may be applied as per the requirement in the form of foliar sprays. Irrigation requirements for mango plants. Young plants are watered frequently for proper establishment. In the case of grown-up trees, irrigation at 10 to 15 days interval from fruit set to maturity is beneficial for improving yield. However, irrigation is not recommended for 2 to 3 months prior to flowering, as it is likely to promote vegetative growth at the expense of flowering. Intercropping in mango orchard. Intercrops such as vegetables, legumes, short duration and dwarf fruit crops like papaya, guava, peach, plum, etc. depending on the agroclimatic factors of the region can be grown. The water and nutrient requirements of the intercrops must be met separately. Harvesting and the yield of mango crop. The yield of mango varies greatly, depending upon the variety and agroclimatic conditions prevailing in a region. Grafted mango trees start bearing from the 5th year onward. However, seedling trees may take 8 to 10 years. At the start of bearing at the age of 3 to 4 years, the yield may be as low as 10 to 20 fruits per tree, rising to 50 to 75 fruits in the subsequent years and to about 500 fruits in its 10th year. In the age group 20 to 40 years, a tree bears 1000 to 3000 fruits in an on year. The productive age of a grafted mango tree is usually 40 to 50 years, after which the yield declines. Post-harvest management of mango crop. Storage of mangoes. The shelf life of mangoes being short 2 to 3 weeks, they are cooled as soon as possible to a storage temperature of 13 degrees Celsius. A few varieties can withstand a storage temperature of 10 degrees Celsius. Steps involved in post-harvest handling include preparation, grading, washing, drying, waxing, packing, pre-cooling, palletization, and transportation. Packaging of mangoes. Mangoes are generally packed in corrugated fiberboard boxes 40 cm by 30 cm by 20 cm in size. Fruits are packed in a single layer of 8 to 20 fruits per carton. The boxes should have a sufficient number of air holes, about 8% of the surface area, to allow good ventilation. Hope you like this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.